How to create a video game. Step 1. Create a game-making notebook. In this, you can make very needed, almost essential information. There are lots of great resources. Here are a few. 3. Sploder.com. This has many good tools. It's easy to use and understand. 4. The Game Factory is good for early teens. This is great for creating a design for your game. 5. Get in the Game. Helps you explore getting into game making as a career. 6. Minecraft EDU. This is for teachers and students that will help with mods. 7. Game Salad is simple to use and allows you to create games quickly. 8. You can make games, any games you want, thanks to educators, brainpop.com, and www.makevideogames.com.